morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I am Trina Mitra and welcome to Trina's World. So today I am going to share a very easy yet a very tasty breakfast item with you guys, that is bread pizza. Now let me know who don't love to have pizza. I love to eat pizza all the time. So why delaying this video? Let's go to the kitchen and see what I'm having today in the kitchen to make this tasty and yummy breakfast bread pizza. So I'm in my kitchen and I'm gonna tell you what ingredients I'm having today to make the pizza sauce first. For making the pizza sauce, I had made puree of 2.5 tomatoes with very less amount of water, 1 small onion slice, butter 1 teaspoon. With that I need 1 tablespoon of white oil, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon and black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt as required, and sugar. Here I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. So that's it for this sauce. And the vegetables that I need is 2 medium size onion slice and 1 big size capsicum slice, 2 cubes of cheese I've grated and kept, and the bread I've taken this round shaped breads. You can take any shape of breads. So that's it, and let's start the pizza sauce making process. Okay, so I have added the white oil and the butter and I'll wait until it melts. Okay, so it's ready. Now I'm going to add the onion slices to it. Flame I've kept high flame. If you want, you can add garlic cloves, but I'm not adding garlic cloves into this. Okay, I'm gonna fry till light golden brown. If you don't want to make the pizza sauce, you can use tomato sauce as well, the ketchup. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomato puree. Okay, so I'm not adding any extra water into this. Now I'm going to add the masalas I'm having. Now red chili powder, black pepper powder and cumin powder. You have to cook this until it thickens. Okay, now I'm going to add salt, half teaspoon salt, and the sugar. Okay, while my sauce is getting ready, I'm going to preheat my oven. Okay, the time that I've set is for 15 minutes and 150 degrees centigrade. So I'm gonna keep this like this till it preheats. You can see it's getting thickened slightly. I'm going to cook it a bit more, about 5 to 6 minutes more. Okay, you can see that the sauce is absolutely ready and it has changed the color in the dark reddish, which is looking very beautiful and smells so good. So now I'm going to prepare my bread pizza. Okay, so if you want, you can add butter on it, but I'm not going to add because I've already added the butter in the sauce. So I'm going to apply the sauce on the breads. Spread it all over your bread nicely. Okay, so I have spreaded the sauce, you can see. Now I'm going to add the veggies. You can add any vegetables like sweet corn, paneer, anything you can add. You can make it non-veg, but I'm making it veg because I basically prefer pizza, like veg pizza. So I'm going to add these two vegetables only. And you can make this anytime because these vegetables are almost available in our home, so you can make this anytime. Now I'm going to add the capsicum. Okay, and last but not the least, the cherry on the cake, that is cheese. If you want, you can add more cheese, but I don't prefer adding a lot of cheese. So my bread pizza is ready and my oven is also ready. So let's go. So I am just going to add 2 drops of white oil. I'm going to grease this tray so that my pizza don't get stuck. So I have placed my pizza on the tray and now it's ready to go in the oven. The temperature I've set is 200 degrees centigrade and the time is 15 minutes and my crispy pizza will be ready. Okay, so my bread pizza is ready and you can see it's looking so yummy. The cheese has properly melted and it's very crispy. Now I'm going to serve this. Okay, so I have served my pizza and I'm going to enjoy this yummy crispy pizza. So you guys try this at your home and enjoy this in your breakfast, dinner, anytime you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked this video, this food item, the way I made. I just request you guys make this at your home and have this. I know you will like this so much. It's not only for breakfast, you can also have this in your dinner. So yeah, if you like this video, please press the like button, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below whether you like this video or not, and if you love pizza or not. Let me know in the comment section. So that's it for today. Bye, stay happy.